Hey buzz, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my wash and go routine that I do with my favorite go-to products, the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey line. I don't know, hopefully this is in the right order. The shampoo and the conditioner. And then I even have a deep conditioner packet. I got a couple deep conditioner packets, so yeah. But this works amazing on my hair. I have, what curl type do I have? I have a curl type 3B. I would just say 3, like 3A, B, and C in parts of my hair. So if you have the same curl type as me and you're looking for some products that work well with your curly hair, I would absolutely recommend this line. And then I also use the leave-in conditioner. I don't use the gel because it's springtime now, so I'm trying to just use like leave-in conditioner and a little bit of moisturizer in my hair. So if you have the same curl type as me, keep watching this video to see how my hair does with these products. I swear by them. You will love them too. Right now I have almond oil and Jamaican black castor oil in my hair. If you want to know why I put a lot of oils in my hair before watching, I'm also making another video right now on the almond oil. This is going to make my hair grow for real. So I don't know which one of these videos are coming out first. If the other one came out first, I'll link it in here. If not, stay tuned for the oil video. Whew. Okay, so I just did my first shampoo in the sink, but I wanted to do my next shampoo and then the rest of my hair in the bathroom so I can show you guys. So I'm about to just do my second shampoo because it's been a week since I washed my hair. I have to wash my hair every week or it will be super itchy or super oily depending on how I'm wearing it. But when I'm wearing it curly, like I'm gonna be doing hopefully for the rest of the year, we'll see, will be curly. And yeah, so let's do the second shampoo so y'all can see how the product works in my hair. And this is like my natural curl pattern. There's nothing in it. I just do the shampoo. And I feel my hair is really big. You don't need to waste water. You pay for that. So we get a little more shampoo. And like I said, I already did my like clean deep scrub shampoo. So this is just making sure like my hair is clean. And I love this line of Shea Moisture. I've tried others. Like I do use Shea Moisture's Milk and Honey Moisturizer. But that's really the only other line of Shea Moisture that doesn't really overweigh my hair. But let me know for people who have like type 3 hair, or you just have curly, or really if you just have curly hair, let me know what products you use, because I'm always looking for something new. So the Manuka Honey, the shampoo doesn't make my hair dry feeling, but it's like you can feel that it's clean. It's not dry. It does suck up, so some people don't like that, but I be feeling like my hair is clean when it sucks up. But it's not dry at all. So I'm gonna rinse this out. So I got all the shampoo out of my hair. And I'm about to condition my hair. Like I said, using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Oil. I said that right? Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil. Shea Moisture Manuka Honey. That's all you really need to remember. But I'm going to use some of the conditioner that's in the set. And I'm going to use the deep conditioner in my hair. And I take a lot of conditioner. I'm not even gonna lie. Dime size if you want, but just I make sure that all my curls are coated, starting from the bottom, and then I try to make sure everything gets coated. I try not to use a ton of this conditioner that goes second from the shampoo, because I'm also using the deep conditioner, so I don't need to go all out ham with the regular conditioner. But I do comb it through my hair completely. And this is a problem because I don't take it easy on my hair like I should. Like if I wasn't making this video, I would be like yanking and ripping out my hair. So what's the first bit of conditioner from the Shea Moisture line that I use? I try to comb my hair all the way out with this, just to make sure the conditioner gets all the way through. I'm still gonna rinse this conditioner out before the deep conditioner, but it's always good before you put the heavy deep conditioner in your hair with my curl pattern that you at least comb through it first, because that deep conditioner will be thick. Mess in the bathroom. But the conditioner is combing through my whole head now. Baby hairs. Oh, I can't even give you all a baby hairs tutorial ever, because I have no idea how to do my own baby hairs for real. Like I'm so trash at it. But they come in so perfectly. I just have no idea how to do them. Okay. So now I just rinsed out the regular conditioner. And it's okay that some still in there because I'm about to put a deep conditioner in my hair. So I have the packet of the Intensified Hydration Treatment Mask with fig extract and jojoba oil. I don't know why I just didn't get the whole container, because I got like 2 or 3 packs. But and I've already used this pack once, so if you do want to try it out, get the pack of the deep conditioner. If you don't want to get any other products, you got 3 and 4 curly type hair, just try the conditioner, the deep conditioner. Just try it. So the deep conditioner, I make sure is all over my head, because I'm going to leave this in. I never time it, but I leave my deep conditioner in as long as I want to, really. I am going to finish my hair today, so I'll probably leave the conditioner in like 2 hours, maybe. But I will say, I did leave deep conditioner in my hair overnight once, and I did not like how that turned out on my hair. So I would not recommend it. And I have the camera up so high because I want to try to be able to see my hair and everything. See how the product takes to my locks. Whoa. Almost lost all the conditioner in the sink. On my tippy toes so y'all can see my hair. into my edges and my roots with this deep conditioner in my hair. Just because I'm trying it out. It's supposed to grow your hair long, so we're gonna see. And this is a big ass bottle, so if you want to know more about this, watch that other video. Whew, clumsy. Just gonna take a little bit like before and put it at the top of my hair around the edges, and it smells really, really, really good to me. Need to leave and pull up a little bit more. So that's it. I'm gonna leave this in my hair for about an hour, maybe 2 hours, and then we're gonna come back and finish the rest of the routine. All right. So I deep conditioned for like 2 hours, and I rinsed the deep conditioner out of my hair. Next, I'm going to use the Manuka Honey Intense Hydrating Leave-In, which is also the last thing in my curly hair routine that I do use on my hair. So, if you want to see the whole curly hair routine, leave a comment, like and subscribe, you know, all that jazz. If you want to see like my full curly hair routine. But this is my hair with no product on it. Fresh. And I love the Manuka Honey products because it makes my hair feel so soft with no product. It smells so good. My hair is clean and it's just like super bouncy. It's easy to comb through once I get it washed. I'm really liking it a lot. This is really the only thing that makes my curly hair like really pop, if you know what I mean. So I don't know how much more of the almond oil I'm going to put in my hair because I already used it for the deep conditioner pre-poo. I'll probably use a little like once I get all my products in my hair. But now I'm just about to separate my hair and put the leave-in conditioner in it. Just a little bit. Maybe down the hips section. Then I just comb through. I try not to use a ton of product on my curly hair though. I really like my hair to be big, so the least amount of product is best for the look that I'm generally trying to achieve. But this is my hair once I put a little bit of the leave-in conditioner throughout a section. Going to keep going section by section. Just saying my hair type, I consider it to be like the range of the threes because you got 3A around here, don't ever want to act right. 3B will come through eventually in these curls down here, and then you'll see 3C in a second. Once I get my hair fully done. But this is where this video ends with the Manuka Honey products. I really like it. They make my hair super soft. The curls, by the time the leave-in is in my hair, have already like defined really well. and they generally stay like this same way. So I will finish the rest of my hair, but if you want to see a full curly hair routine, be sure to just comment down below. Or if you want to see other things I do with my hair or questions on my hair type, you can comment down below. If you use these products and you think there's some more that I could use, comment down below. Just help me out. Help me out as I share. But I'm just put the rest of the products in my hair, let it dry, and then I'll be back to show y'all final product to see what it does look like. So this is my hair after all of the products are in it. This is not what I do for the winter time because in the winter I need more products in my hair to keep it from acting out. This is my hair with all the products in it. For my curly hair routine, once everything's in my hair, I pretty much just let it air dry. Try not to touch it as much as possible to not make it frizzy and to keep it kind of juicy like it is. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys check out the video on the almond oil. And if you do want to see my curly hair routine or anything else I do with my hair, comment down below, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.